Today, we're diving into a topic that's often a source of confusion for many: the differences between landing pages and websites. Let's start with landing pages. A landing page is like a virtual salesperson with one mission: to convert visitors. Whether it's a sign up for a webinar, or downloading an ebook, or making a purchase, a landing page is created to guide users toward a specific action. Notice how landing pages often have minimal navigation. We want visitors to stay focused on that one goal without any distraction. Now let's talk about websites. Unlike landing pages, websites are like your business's online headquarters. They provide a comprehensive overview of your brand, products, and services. Websites have various pages: home pages, about us, product or service pages, and more. They offer a complete picture of your business and provide visitors with a wealth of information. When it comes to design, landing pages are optimized for conversion. They feature a clear headline, engaging visuals, and a prominent call to action. Websites, on the other hand, maintain a consistent brand aesthetic with navigation menus for easy exploration. Let's talk about the scope of a landing page and a website. Landing pages are often temporary and created for specific marketing campaigns. They are focused on a single objective and may be used as part of a sales funnel. Website. Websites are long-term entities that serve as a central hub for a business's online presence. They provide a comprehensive overview of a business and its offerings. Traffic source. Traffic to a landing page is often driven by specific marketing efforts such as paid ads, social media campaigns, or email marketing. Websites, on the other hand, can attract traffic from various sources, including search engines, referrals, direct visits, and ongoing marketing efforts. While a landing page is a focused standalone page designed for a specific campaign, a website is a more comprehensive online presence that encompasses multiple pages and serves various informational and functional purposes. So, which one is right for you? Well, it depends on your goals. If you're running a specific campaign or a promotion, a landing page might be the perfect fit. If you need a hub for your brand with comprehensive information, a website is the way to go. And that's the scoop on landing pages versus websites. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insightful content. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.